Hey, classmate, what do you? Going to Lake Bosomtwe, lakeside. This is the roadside. Today is a holiday, so we are enjoying the holiday at Lake Bosomtwe. Don't forget to leave your comments. We are here with huge crowd here on Abono, Lake Bosomtwe.
Boy. Boy. Blah blah blah.
So we're on the road walking to where the lake is. So we have our security men fully prepared. Serious traffic jam here. So Laud TV will give you everything. We are going to where the main program is going on. So you're on the way. We have VIP Express bus here. So keep watching. This is amazing Easter Monday at Lake Bosomtwe. We have amazing traffic jam. Serious traffic jam. None of the car is moving. So here we are entering the town of Abono, where we have the Lake Bosomtwe. So today is amazing. Today is a holiday, so we are chilling the holiday at Lake Bosomtwe. So keep enjoying, keep watching. So these are some of the activities that is going on. We have a serious traffic jam. So we are entering the Abono town where we have Lake Bosomtwe. So today we will be live at Lake Bosomtwe, watching people swimming, enjoying the Easter holidays. So today, Easter Monday, you are all welcome. Don't forget to leave your comments wherever you are enjoying. Don't forget to leave the comments. Join us live at Lake Bosomtwe. So we are entering the town. Have our big car park here. If you drive carefully to Abono, we have a big car park here for the visitors. We have from children to adults. Okay. Some people has brought their children. Have a very big car park here. So we are going to the main event. So keep enjoying the Abono town. We are on the way to the Lake Bosomtwe. Okay. Yeah, entering. So here it's not only adults have children here because they are here celebrating the holidays with their parents. We have Abono police station here, so everything is set cool. This is Abono police station. So you see, we are entering the town. It has been very busy town this Easter Monday. It's okay, we are enjoying. Yes, see the town is very busy today. Very busy today with different people. We have a white man here who also celebrating the Easter with us. So this is, we are on the way, so keep waiting, keep watching and enjoy the videos. We are on the way to where the main event is taking place. We are going to the lake side, that is the river side, the Lake Bosomtwe side. Then you will be going to where the live band performances are going on and other social activities are going on. So this is just the way, so keep enjoying. This is the way, we are on the way going. So you see from the left to right. Yes. As you see, the town has been very busy, very busy today. Busy town, Abono, Lake Bosomtwe. So keep enjoying. Most of us, we have heard about Lake Bosomtwe, but we've not set our eyes on Lake Bosomtwe before. So today we are going straight to Lake Bosomtwe. We are going to the riverside. Yes, we are meeting a whole lot of people. Traffic jam. It's a very small town here in Ashanti region, near Kuntanse. That's the Kyei area. So if you want to join us here, you may come. We are on the way going to the riverside. So keep enjoying the videos here. So you see. Yes, you see our beautiful women here. Very beautiful women with swimming costumes and other stuff. So this is just the beginning. You keep enjoying. You have wonderful time here. Very wonderful, very wonderful time. You haven't witnessed before. So here we are live at Lake Bosomtwe Abono. So keep enjoying. We are entering where the program is going. So you see now that the crowd is growing. The crowd is becoming bigger and bigger. Yes, that is Lake Bosomtwe for you. Yes, this is the town. We are in the town. So you see, yes, we have our riders here. Yes, have motor riders. That's the beginning of the show. This is the beginning of the show. When the time comes, we'll be interviewing more people here. Yes. So we are live at Lake Bosomtwe. You see, we are entering the town. So this is the town. We are going. We are going. I say network. Oh. I do a ninja. So here we are live here at Lake Bosomtwe. So you see we have different brands. We are enjoying, people are enjoying here. So we are live at Lake Bosomtwe. So keep enjoying. So here, let me go to where the lake itself is. So this is the side of the river. So the shore. Yeah, the shore. We are live at the shore. Wow, it's been a fantasy. Yes, the atmosphere is very conducive. Very serene and conducive atmosphere. So let me take you through the shore. Before we go to the riverside, you see the river here. People are seriously swimming. So we are at the banks of the river. We are at the bank of the river. So this is what is going on here. You see, the river is there. This is the Lake Bosomtwe. Yes. People are swimming. Several activities are going on. So let me take you through the shore. So it's very nice experience visiting Lake Bosomtwe. I'm enjoying the side here. That's the banks. We are the banks of the river. So here, let me take you through. This is the banks of the river, the Lake Bosomtwe, almighty Lake Bosomtwe. We are here. You see the swimming is going on here. Yeah, we are enjoying the swimming. The swimming is going on. So don't forget to leave your comment here. The swimming is going on. So we are enjoying the swimming. Very nice scene. So let me take you through the whole show. Live at Lake Bosomtwe. You see, it's been amazing. Find time one day and visit this place. Yes. Very nice things going on here. A whole lot of activities. So another holiday. Let us all meet here at Lake Bosomtwe. It's very amazing experience. Very nice. This is the river. That's the Lake Bosomtwe. You see people, a whole lot. Thousands of people have met here. So we are enjoying. Keep enjoying the journey. So this is the place. This is the location. Yes. Lake Bosomtwe. This should be named my first time at Lake Bosomtwe. Oh, I'm enjoying the place here. I'm really enjoying the place. So keep enjoying. Live at Lake Bosomtwe, Easter Monday, 2024. 2024 Easter Monday. Wow, it's very nice. Very beautiful encounter here. A whole lot, not only adults, but we have from kids, children with their parents, their mothers, their family members, all swimming. So keep enjoying Lake Bosomtwe. We are having a great time here. Very beautiful, great siren, great scenes. Yeah, people are playing volleyball. Yes, good. You see, a whole lot of activities. There's still swimming is going on. So let me take you through the shore. Yes, football too is going on here. Yes, football. We have football. So we are enjoying. Keep enjoying the shore, the bank. Yeah. At the shore of the Lake Bosomtwe, you can see several activities are going on. People are taking pictures. Wow, I really enjoy. I'm enjoying the visit here today. My visit here is a very blessing. I do really enjoy. We have the boat here. So we have a boat here. So let me take you through the boat. Have that speedboat. So here, that's where we are now here. People are still coming. People are coming in. Regularly, people are now coming. So this is just the beginning. So keep enjoying. This is just the beginning. I can see people are coming in their numbers to this place, Lake Bosomtwe. People are coming in numbers. So you see the shore, you have the ladies here. So here with their bikinis and a whole lot of dresses just to swim, enjoying the Easter Monday. Enjoying the holiday. We have a boat here. Okay, we have a boat. That's big boat here. Very beautiful. So people are in the boat. I'm sure the boat will be set off very soon because they are having a wonderful time. That's the excursion. They will be going onto the river for excursion. You have a whole lot of people. You see some people who are going there. Yes. That's very beautiful. So you see, we are keep on going. This is just the beginning. We are going deep. We are going deep to the place. On the shore, we are on the shore. That is the banks of the river, and a whole lot of activities are going on. So you see, people are really enjoying themselves here. Yes. People are enjoying very, very, very. Yes. So we are going. You see, thousands of people visited this place. So let's make this place a very nice and tourist attraction or tourist center that we will be promoting it so that everybody and the people from outside Ghana, outside Kumasi will come here yearly. So that people will visit this place yearly. That will be one of the revenue centers for our country Ghana, because it's been amazing. You see, that boat has set off and people are so you can see very, very, very nice things. Very nice atmosphere here. We are enjoying. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. This is Easter. You can see people are lying, swimming. Different people are around here. Everything is going on well here. Everything is going on. Seriously, I'm really enjoying the place. That is holiday. All work and no play makes that a dull boy. So you see people are enjoying the holiday season here. Very good and nice. So I'm going from the end of the river to the other end. So we are going. Keep enjoying the video. We are going until we reach the end. So we are on. Still going from the beginning to the end. Everything that will go on here, Laud TV will bring it live to you. You see, we are having numbers. The numbers, when we are going, the numbers is going. The numbers is growing. The numbers are going up. So you see a whole lot of activities going on here. A whole lot of activities going on here. So that is how it is. We keep on giving you all the best from the Lake Bosomtwe. Lake Bosomtwe, Abano to be precise, Kumasi, Ashanti region. So that is our only sea that we be see. This is our only sea that we have here. So keep enjoying the videos. I really enjoy the videos as well. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, so that we will keep enjoying. And as time going on, we will be interviewing some people who are here. So let's look at what is going on here. We have max people here, maximum of the people. I can see people are swimming with their kids and others. So that is good. That is good. So you see, parties going on. Parties going on here. Have serious party going on. So you see the dancing. Very nice things. So keep enjoying Lake Bosomtwe. Very, very, very nice things. Wow, I'm sure you'll be with us here next year by this time, because what is going on here is very, very, very entertaining. So since I started walking across along the banks of the river, if not reach the end, and we're still going on. We are still going. So when I get to the end, we'll be back again. Oh, very, very, very nice thing. People are enjoying the program. So very, very nice things here. So I'm sure next year we will all join hands and meet here, because what is going on here is very nice, very beautiful. Wow. So the men are playing volleyball and football here. So that's good. That's good. let's continue until we get to the end. So we are getting to the end. So you see, it's amazing here. Very nice things here. So that's Lake Bosomtwe for you. So today the holiday is very, very, very interesting here. Yeah, enjoying every bit of it. You see, very huge crowd here. So people, these are, I'm sure, the people who have tired of the swimming, and some people who are also not interested in the swimming. The shore, that's the banks of the river. So that is great, 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 great. Yeah, live at Lake Bosomtwe. So in the evening, the performances will be going on. But for now, we are enjoying the swimming session. That was the first session. Everybody's enjoying the swimming session here. Very nice atmosphere here. See, you have people dancing on stage. Very, very nice encounter here. So that is Lake Bosomtwe live here on Laud TV. Today, all I cannot play makes us a dog boy. So we've taken our cherished viewers here to enjoy the swimming at Lake Bosomtwe. We are enjoying, keep enjoying. This is very, 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 very nice. Nice scenes here. So we have our women dancing, but they are enjoying themselves. So here you have different people here. Different people. Have kids here with their mothers. Just enjoying with their parents. Oh, very nice scenes here. That's good. Very nice scenes here. See, real enjoyment is going on here. So I'm sure next year we shall all meet here again. Next year with swimming skills. So if you know how to swim, don't forget to make a date. Next year by this time or the Christmas, you will be here live. Very good, very good, very good. So very nice. So if you have a lover or you are single, you may also come as well. You may also come here because single people are here and the couples also around. So if you're single, you may choose to come alone and enjoy yourself. And if you're single too, you may come. Okay. That's good. So keep enjoying. That is what we have here. This is our only beach side that Ashanti region we have. That is Lake Bosomtwe. Live here at Lake Bosomtwe. Live on Laud TV. So that is what is going on. Don't spoil. Don't spoil the joy. The people are going in and coming out here to the speedboat. So let's keep moving.
Sabiola.
So we are enjoying here. We are enjoying. Very nice things here. Oh, good. Good moves going on here. So that's the first session. Yeah, enjoying the first session. That's the swimming that's going on here live. So the performances from Okwesiata and other stars will be on very soon. So keep enjoying the first part. That is the swimming performances. So we are enjoying the swimming here. You see people are taking pictures. It's a memorable day. Nice things here. The only beach that we have in Kumasi, that is Lake Bosomtwe. The only beach, I repeat, the only beach that Ashanti region has is Lake Bosomtwe. So you see people are really enjoying here. So that is Lake Bosomtwe for you. So it's very good and memorable 2024.